Andito po tayo sa McDo. Kasama ko mga friends ko. Hello.
Ang galing kita.
Yes.
Galing mo.
Just recording this special moment with our special guest, ang ating paboritong Mars.
Jenny!
Laters, punta po tayo sa City on a Hill sa Binangonan. Bye!
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Si Bri. Hello.
Yeah, they were nice.
So we're going to Binangonan. Meet my friends. This is Jonathan. Me, myself. Series. My baby.
Hi guys! Andito na po tayo ngayon sa City on a Hill sa Binangonan, Rizal. Makikita niyo po yung view. Meron po silang tatlong resort dito magkakatabi. Parang Resort A, B, and C. Hindi ko alam yung name nung dalawa pero itong na-rent namin is yung letter C, Zuriel. And ito po yung itsura niya. Pakita ko sa inyo. So ngayon po guys, puntahan natin yung lugar. Papakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kaganda rito. First destination, ito po yung parang ang tawag dito. Diyan ata gazebo ba tawag sa ganyan? Pwede tumambay, pwede mag-bonfire. Ayan. And then, ito naman po yung swimming pool area. Tignan natin. Ayan, may duyan. Swimming pool area. Ito, pangbata siguro. Hindi ako sure kung gaano kalalim to. Pero, balita ko, 4 feet to 5 feet yung lalim niyan. Tapos, ito yung view sa side na to. Dito yung sunset, sabi nila. Sobrang ganda. May kwarto nga sa taas guys. Tapos ito yung pinaka-view sa taas. Diba? So, super relaxing. And surprisingly, hindi ganun sobra yung init. Mainit siya, oo. Pero hindi yung over na init na parang sa Metro Manila. Pero yun. And malapit rin pala tayo sa area na may paragliding spot. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo yung paragliding area doon. Alam ko 3.5 to 4.5 yung yung fee sa paragliding and around 15 minutes siya. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, ito po yung spot. Ito din yung pinaka area. Ayan, nasa loob yung mga friends ko. And sa ngayon nakasarado siya, pero nasa loob sila. Ngayon, papasok tayo dyan pero dito tayo dadaan. Etong daan na to, sa bedroom siya. Dadaan, bedroom 1. Kita ba ako? Yan. Hello! So yan, ito yung bedroom number 1. Oy. So yan. 246. And then, meron ding sariling CR dito sa loob. Ayan. Ewan ko naging tour tong vlog ko. Yung gusto ko sana eksena lang dito is parang tawag to. Gusto ko sa vlog ko is parang lang talaga, parang more on savoring the memories, ganyan. Pero, and say hi naman sa friend ko. Ayan. So, para siya naging tour, pero more on memories lang talaga siya. And ayun yung mga friends ko, guys. TG. We've been friends since 2014. Sorry, nagbablog ako. For saving the memories lang. So, ayan yung mga friends ko. Hi, Dennis! Atihan, JD, Makel, Josh, Jamal, Justin, Bea, Alden. And ito po yung singer po namin. Charot. Ito yung view kanina na pinakita ko sa inyo. Ito siya sa labas. Ganda rin. Pero yan, akyat po tayo. Ito natin yung taas. Sorry baka nahihilo kayo. Pero tignan natin. Itsura dito sa taas. Rinig ba ako? Tignan natin itsura dito sa taas. Ito yung view. Balcony ba tawag dito? So yan. Okay na mag-picture dito. Ayan. Tapos ito yung bedroom number 2. Pasok tayo. Oops. Bedroom number 2. Tapos, tignan natin kung ilan yung kasya. Bilangin natin. Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako yung lumabas. So, yun, merong 2, 4, 6, 8 na kasya dyan. And then, ito yung the best, guys. Best room. Bedroom number 3. Merong 2, 4 na kasya. And then, ito yung view na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Sorry, baka nahihilo na kayo sa kada ano ko. Pero, let's see. Sobrang ganda ng view. Dito daw yung sunset. Diba? The view is sounding like everything that I have, praise the Lord. Ganda! OMG! Sobrang ganda ng view, guys. Hayaan ko lang kayo na enjoy yung view. Ayun. Sama ko syempre. Ganda ng view. Super na-enjoy ko. And yung rent pala namin dito for one night is 24,000. Good for 20 packs na siya. And pwede siya mag-exceed up to 23 packs. Pero kaming mga friends ko, 13 lang kami today. So, yun. And thank you kay Kayen. Yung big amount sa kanya galing. Thank you. And welcome back to the Philippines. So, yun. And later ulit, siguro pakita ko lang din sa inyo yung mga kaganapan namin with friends. Ewan ko, wala naman niche tong video ko tong vlog ko more on ano lang talaga, enjoying the moment. Pero for some reason today, naging tour siya. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pero yun, sige ulit. Anyway, later na lang, kakain na kami. Mag-add na lang ako ng mga random videos. Ganyan. Laters, bye!
That Kate loves the most. I don't think some of this you love, but we just think that Dennis should try some of the small goodies or snacks.
Okay.
Most of these are sweets, crackers, and Kate's favorites, of course. The Stickos, choco. The reason why I told her, the reason why we're giving this because we want to eat also now. The cashier expired na yung buka. So, just Nick, you should try this. Then, chocolate cake.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Then, after this, you'll have diabetes. Too many sugar.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Tawang-tawa si mama kasi lumabas ako. Nakita niya si Kuya. At sabi niya, sino yung bata na yan? Si Kuya, ano na? Sabi niya, bakit paikot-ikot kasi? Ang hard doon na to.
Okay lang.
Saan ba?
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it.
Hi guys! Katapos lang namin mag-swimming. Ngayon, kita yung hairline ko. Ayan, pakita natin sila, yung mga kasama ko ngayon. Nagpapaunahan na kami ngayon sa CR kasi mga magsisibanlaw na. Ayan. Hala, si Asnir! Next na ganap namin, guys, magbibis kami ng red, white, green. Kasi mag-picture-picture kami. Ayun. Sige, laters!
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Okay, ready? Just been ready?
I wish I knew how much I miss now.
Hi guys! Good morning! Today is the day na mag-check out po kami. Sana rinig ako sa video to. So yun, it's 8:55 AM. Tulog pa yung karamihan sa friends ko. Pero nandito po kami sa sala. Yung iba, nasa sala kumakanta, ganyan. Pero ngayon, ginawa ko lang tong video na to. Last clip. Hopefully, pag in-edit ko yung last clip, para I summarize kung ano man nangyari. Ayun, so yesterday, pumunta kami dito sa City on the Hill and then nag-swimming agad. Nag-prepare, tapos nag-swimming, tapos nag-dinner. Tapos ginawa namin yung trend na yung sa cake. Baka isama ko din pala yung clip noon. So baka additional clips pala yun in the end. Yung clip na iba sa yung trend na yung sa cake, tapos ilalagay mo yung mga achievements mo, ganyan, and nakakatuwa and nakakataba ng puso kasi yung mga achievements ng friends ko, naririnig ko, and some of them, yung achievements, alam mo yung parang little things, pero they matter. Ganun. Kaya, sobrang big thing nun for us kasi kakalala ko sila since high school, since 2014, and now is 2025. And seeing them grow and achieve things in life, nakakatawa na makita yung journey na yun. And vice versa, kasi I know that na very supportive din sila and very supportive din naman ako. So yun. So yeah, mag-add na lang ako ng mga different clips, videos sa edit. Kasi hindi ko na alam kung paano ko siya i-edit. Kasi sobrang dami. And like I said, ito namang video na to is not really, itong vlog na to is not really para, alam mo yun, hindi siya very informative. Very very, parang gallery ko lang yung YouTube. Ganun. Para lang may memories sa babalikan, ganyan. And what if in the future gusto ng mga friends ko, ng mga magiging anak nila, na panoorin kung sino yung mga kaibigan ng parents nila, ganyan. And yung relatives namin, yung parents din namin as well. Kung gusto nila makita kung ano mga nangyayari sa labas, mga snippets lang. So yun, medyo na lang makita sa videos. So yeah, medyo madaldal na ako. Probably baka abutin ng 20 minutes tong video ko sa sobrang daming clips. Pero yeah, see you again soon. See you sa next gala with my friends. And next gala ko rin. See you! And again, this is Jonathan. Ginagawa ko ng videos na to document things, little things in life. See you! Bye!
Hi, my name is Kim, and for this year, I am grateful for having good health and for having my family.
Dennis turn.
Hi, I'm Dennis. This year I'm grateful for my loving girlfriend and grateful for my new job and coworkers.
Ganda!
Hi guys, I'm Aldem. I'm grateful for this year kasi I learned a new hobby and syempre I survived this year happier. I almost lost 15 kilograms.
Sana all.
And syempre I have a loving and wonderful girlfriend.
Hi, I'm Bea. This year we started walking 10K steps with my bebe. Taking care of our health, and I'm grateful that I have a loving boyfriend and embrace creativity through art again.
Yeah! Go, Mama!
Hi, I'm Justin and I am grateful for this year because I have a stable job finally.
Nice!
And also all of my utang. Ay, ganda. I mean, fully paid.
Nasa GC lang yun
But the last is I have good health for myself, friends, and family.
Yeah!
Saan ba tayo, te? Hindi ko matindol.
Patay ka ng paid.
Honey!
Hi, I'm Hani. I'm grateful because everyone in my family is healthy and I have a great team in my job.
Yes!
So, hi, I'm Man. So, there are a lot of things to be grateful. Pero yung pinaka ko is, I always thought I was left behind. And then I noticed na I was the always youngest in the room. And I got the life I prayed before the night before the verdict started.
Eto na! Ayan na siya.
Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan. I'm grateful for this year because first, I still remember when I bought a cake just because I want to, just for my cravings. So I'm grateful for that. Iyak ako.
Okay.
And then I had my third surgery this year and I feel like it's a better result right now. I hope it's the best actually. And then lastly, I'm happy and grateful for having like continuous good income at this point. Hopefully it continues like more years. So yeah.
Yay! Paldo! Hindi, sabihin mo.
Hi, my name is John Deere, and there are three things that I'm very grateful about. First one is, of course, Jonathan's continuous healing. I'm very grateful for that. Second one, I'm grateful because I have you all guys. Thank you so much. And the last and the very best, I'm very grateful because I was able to buy.
Pop, Rosalinda.
Hi, I'm Therese. I am grateful for this year because I got to travel a lot. And grateful for my new full-time job and my part-time job. And thankful for a blessed and a healthy family, friends, and of course, to my loving boyfriend.
Hello, I'm Joshua, and this year I'm grateful for my one and only Bebe.
Hindi ka pinakalanan.
And grateful for all the blessings like passing in the civil service exam and buying
Yes, that's my boyfriend.
new motor and for the travels.
Hello, my name is Josh. I'm grateful for stability in everything, so that includes great health for my loved ones and I, and also stable love life. And I'm also grateful for the belongingness that I felt with this friend group. I'm not usually in a large friend group, so I'm grateful for that, and also for the acceptance of my family when I came out a few days ago. Hindi yan mangyayari kung hindi ako in-accept ng boyfriend ko.
Sino yun?
Yeah, I'm grateful for all of that. Boyfriend.
Hi, I'm Makel. So for this year, I'm really grateful. First, I started to build my own room. And I'm in my 2 years in teaching in public school. And lastly, I have a healthy family, genuine friends, and I'm in a healthy relationship.
Dumang-duma ang kaba.
Parang genuine yung ano.